Guys, I just wanna share this story kasi while flying to Fukuoka, may nakasabay ako sa airplane which is syempre I'll just keep all of their name private, but KK buddy siya. But not only that, she also follows me. And then sobrang I just wanna share the story kasi nakakataba talaga siya ng puso. So nung sabi ko, "Oh, anong ginawa mo?" And parang, "What do you do?" Siyempre napag-question ano 'no, pumipila sa immigration. And then she said na actually, nabasa niya yung sa mga KK buddies na stories na parang they were able to use their credit cards to create their own business. A lot of those businesses are like rental businesses. And when it comes to rental businesses, it's like rental businesses na, alam mo yun, yung condominium na pwede mong ipaupa. Tapos, ginagamit nila yung credit card para i-design or para makapag-renovate ng condo na yan. So parang now she has 3 units na pinapaupa niya and then planning to get another one so it will become 4 units na. And not only that, etong Fukuoka trip niya daw, galing siya sa kanyang credit card because of the cashback na ginamit niya mag-asawa to buy their tickets. Because of the cashback ng credit card, oh my God, sabi ko, oh my gosh, that's that's talaga I don't know, talagang yun yung mga stories that I super love na talagang 'pag kinukuwento sa akin yan, sobrang saya ko na parang, "Oh my gosh, this is the reason why I like sharing these kinds of stories and like tips, tricks." Kasi ito talaga yun, eh, it can change lives, 'di ba? But ang sabi ko nga rin is, don't forget na this is all because of you. Because sabi ko, whatever I share, whatever the KK buddies share, these are stories. These are their experiences. And then their experiences, if you don't act upon it, will always just be stories. Kaya sabi ko, it's not about me, it's not about the KK buddies, but it's about her. Kasi siya talaga yung gumawa niyan. Siya yung talagang inaral niya, siya yung talagang kumayod, and then now she's reaping the benefits of it. 'Di ba? Like, I always say, I'm here just to share knowledge, yung mga tips na alam ko that I don't gatekeep. But at the end of the day, it will all be because of you guys. Kasi kayo yung mag-a-act upon it. And lagi ko sinasabi, di ba, if you don't act upon it, walang mangyayari. But if you act upon it, which is the hardest part, that's the first thing that you should do. And if you will act upon it, congratulations. Kasi sa'yo talaga yan. Panalo mo yon. And I'm always here to cheer you guys on. I'm always here to root for you guys. Kasi basta ikwento nyo lang sa akin yung kwento na yan. Because yun talaga those stories make my day. Those stories is the reason why I love doing what I do. So, congratulations talaga. Girl, ang galing talaga. As in, tuwang-tuwa talaga ako nun.